Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down a little bit and find the display. Now in this right section we have to scroll down to find the navigation bar option, and as you can see here we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we've got the buttons, which are of course right now applied, or the swipe gestures. As you can see, if you'd like to stick to the buttons option, you can rearrange the buttons, so you can change the order of them, the position of them. You can switch the back button and the recents. Here you've got also the button position, so you can decide if you want to keep it on the left, right in the center, or on the right. It's of course up to you, but if you'd like to change to the gestures, just tap on this option. And as you can see, it actually immediately changes. Of course, here we've got the animation, how it works. Here we can see this line, so it means that it has been applied. What's more, we've got more options here, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, you can decide if you want to have this one line, which will be responsible for getting back to the home page and the recents, or you can have three separate lines, which are responsible for, let's say, just like three buttons which you had previously applied. It's of course up to you which option you'd like to use. I will stick with this one. What's more, here we've got the gesture sensitivity, which means that after setting it to the highest option, the area which will be responsible for reacting to your touches will be much wider, let's say. But I will stick to this option. Let me go back. All right, so now we can go back, and as you can see under it we've got also some options. So we've got the gesture hint, we've got the option to show button to hide keyboard, or block gestures with S Pen. It's of course up to you which option you'd like to use, which option you'd like to keep turned on, but I will just leave it like this. So now I can show you actually how to use those gestures. So first of all, if you'd like to get back to the previous page or previous step, you have to swipe your finger or pen from the side of the screen to the center. It doesn't really matter if you will do it from the right or left, it will work the same. And as you can see, here we've got this small arrow which appears, and after picking it, we will simply go back. The same situation with the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, you will have to swipe your finger or pen up very actually fastly, just like that. Maybe not like that, like that. And as you can see, we just got back to the home page. And the last option, and the last navigation option, is to enter the recents, and all you have to do is to again swipe your finger or pen up, but gently, and hold it somewhere here to open the recents. And as you can see here, we've got all previously opened tabs. So actually this is it. This is how to change the three navigation buttons type to the gestures in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.